Hello everyone, I'm Gale Thompson at the Darby Creek Diaries. I hope you're having a great Monday. I'm not going to be doing many of these product showcases, but this box came along and I really felt that it was different and you might not have heard. This is the first edition of a new monthly kit series by Alexandra Stapleton-Smith of Hedgehog Hollow. She also has a YouTube channel and a Facebook channel and all of that. We'll get into it later. But she came up with an idea that I think is pretty neat. For those of us that have a whole craft room of unused supplies, we just don't normally buy kits because I wind up with more stuff. And I don't want duplicates and things like that. Well, this is unique in that each month, a different vendor will provide the kit, and it will be new supplies, so their duplication is probably not going to happen, and you're not married to one brand every month. This month's kit is by Lawn Fawn. She was only planning on making 50, and she wound up selling 500 and still sold out. She really went to a lot of trouble to make the kit attractive with pink and polka dots and beautiful paper and all of that. But to me, the real meat of it is the thought that she put into it so that both regular longtime crafters and new crafters could enjoy it as well. Even though the kit's sold out, I will have all the links for each of the pieces below, so don't fear, you'll still be able to get the product. She will have exclusive things from time to time, but this month it's just new releases from Lawn Fawn. Now the top section there, she's done a lot of die cuts, and that'll go along with the 4 tutorial videos that she will send you via email, the links, so that you can get 4 cards. There's plenty for more projects, but she walks you through step by step 4 cards. And she gives you a good variety of cardstock, as you can see. And then this is Ocean Glitter Baker's Twine, and that's new. That's a new color. Next is the new Sprigs die cut set. That'll work for every season. And I think that's a really neat thing to have. And I'm not the most grateful unboxer. I will tell you that right now. I can't think of the name of the die set, but I think it's in the Bayou or something like that. And then there's the quilted backdrop. And then she puts in some little dirt and hills and grass and things. And one of those pivot pop-up cards, that's what the base is for that, and she has complete instructions on how to use it. Next up is the new glue tube. I'm looking forward to trying this out. I always like to try out new adhesives, and that piece of candy is already gone. And then as a bonus for I think an early purchase, she had the fortune cookie set, and this is the slide on over SemiCircles. I know one of the cards that you will make on a tutorial will have the bunny hopping across the garden, so that'll be really cute. Plus that's a pretty practical slider anyway. There are several sizes there, so that's a nice practical thing to get that you can use for lots of things. And the cute little bunny set, I needed a new Easter set. Most of this was a surprise. Her first box was sort of a surprise for everyone, but now she's going to start announcing them in advance. The next one's Little Darlings, I believe, and you have an exclusive Mini Winnie. Oh, and here are more pieces to the pivot pop-up die. And that's kind of how you fit them together. All the information will be at thehedgehoghollow.com and over on the Hedgehog Hollow Facebook page. And then there are more perfectly plaid papers. It had to do with when you ordered and all of that. She has exclusive things. There are a few things that I didn't get because I'm not a monthly subscriber. So you'll have to go check out her webpage for that. And there's a bunch more. There's some of that. Got to have gingham and more paper. And then last but not least, there are 5 sheets of Nina for your card bases, as well as any stamping that you need to do. So this finishes up the box. I hope you'll check it out. I think it's going to be a real success, and I will talk to you later. Please hit that subscribe button, and your likes and comments really help us out. I hope you have a wonderful day, and here are some more Lawn Fawn videos that you might enjoy. Bye-bye.